I'm right now in Western Union Bank, as you can see. PTT Bank. Sorry, I'm in PTT Bank actually. Just came to withdraw my money actually. So yeah, I'm just waiting here. It's now my turn. I'm just waiting here. This is how the PTT works inside. This is FGLR side, okay. That was my house actually. Just told you, right? They are renovating actually. Just came to see actually. That was my house, and I used to be living with some 3 Pakistanis here in FGLR. Yeah, I had a good time with them, but problems are a part of life. I don't take much deep inside my heart. So yeah, we had a good time with them, and I had a good time with those people, but especially I had one friend from Ehtisham Bhai. He was in my room actually. I miss him. If he's watching this my video, salam to you, salam to you, man, salam to you, man, actually. So yeah, just brought some things, and I left my one thing actually. Just need to go back. Hi guys, I've come to Shock. This is Shock actually. I've come to Shock in Florida. This is Shock shop in Florida. Wanted to buy some things actually. That's the reason I've come here. I'll be taking some chocolate or stuff like that now. I don't know where is that chocolate. I don't know where is it. This is how Shock looks like. They have kept it here. These are some of the items available here. Some items you have it here. I'm just trying to check where is chocolate. Yeah, here is the chocolate. Oh, this has increased a lot, Caraman. About this. This has increased. I got purchased these things now. These are some of the things I purchased. One is chocolate, cream, one is crown. The other one is some noodles. So yeah, I need to buy some now. I need to buy some tomatoes now. Purchase this tomato. Purchase the tomato. Actually हम लोग अभी इफ्तारी के लिए we are doing some special item. Our brother Atiq is making which baja is this?
Pakoda.
Pakoda baja. Pakoda baja. So we are
Pakoda, chips,
having
fries,
some
spring rolls,
spring roll, mashallah, for iftar.
Malay, fruit chaat.
Iftar, mashallah. We are enjoying the cooking now, and we'll be having now iftar. Actually, only 10 minutes is left. No, not 10 minutes, just 5 minutes maybe for the iftar. And we'll be having iftar, inshallah. Yeah, actually, today's iftar is from Atiq Bhai, mashallah. He's, mashallah,
Look at the
had
fruit chaat.
effort to see your fruit chart. Oh, it's amazing. Special fruit chart made by him.
Lahori fruit chaat.
Lahori fruit chart. Oh, that's great, man.
This is
we'll have
mango
juice. It's
No, mango apple. Sorry, not mango.
Mixed juice. Yani it's all types of fruits are available. Banana, apple, all mixed fruits. So yeah, today we'll be gonna have, inshallah, tasty iftar, inshallah, special iftar, hosted by Atiq Khan. ये क्या है? ये डेट्स का स्पेशल है क्या? डेट्स में भी अंदर कुछ डाल दिया आपने? In dates also you had made something special. कौन सा डेट्स है जी?
ये लड़की वाला डेट नहीं है.
देख लीजिए आप. In dates also, I don't know from where did he bring, but in dates also something special is there. Nuts. क्या अंदर nuts है?
नट्स है, चॉकलेट है,
चॉकलेट है,
डेट है.
सही है यार. Chocolate, nuts, dates. Also hurma. In Turkish it's called hurma.
Tunish.
Dates.
Tunish. Hurma.
Tunish hurma. Hi guys, actually I have come to I came to Charsi side actually. That is Umrania, and now I'm in a shop actually to buy for Eid shopping actually. Eid. I've come to shop some clothes. Think which suits me is better. Let me check. This one is there, and this one is there actually. This one is there. No, which suits better on me. How does this look? This is not good, I guess. Or kind of. This one, I guess. It's good. Alhamdulillah, just purchased with dress, clothes. I've come to the Charsi side actually. You can see this is Umrania, and just purchased some clothes and sweater clothes for the Eid. Yeah, so this is Charsi now. I'm moving on the streets of Charsi, Umrania side. So yeah, I'm actually moving now. Actually today is Ramadan. Maybe this is the which Ramadan 13/5. Maybe 24th Ramadan actually. 24th Ramadan. This is the 24th Ramadan. I'm walking on the streets of Charsi now. And this is what actually. How it looks like now. I'm sitting here in the college university right now, and yeah, I'm waiting for the class. Actually our class is at 8:30. Our class starts at near 8:35 in the night time. Till around 9:30 we have class. So yeah, 1 hour we have class, and so I'm waiting for it actually. So now the class is going on. We have the next class. So I'm having some biscuits, stuff like that. Hi guys, right now I'm in Srinagar right now. It's so cold actually. As you can see, I'm moving actually. Today we have iftar party actually. So I'm moving towards Fateh side actually. So yeah, I'll be moving to the Fateh side now, and I'll be taking the autobus. Just came out of the metro bus now. Just yeah, so I'm just just got on from the metro bus, and now I'm moving to restaurant, Flavory restaurant. See the crowd actually, it's too much here in Srinagar. I am right now in Srinagar. Now I have to take a auto bus actually. I don't know which side is. Maybe I have to go that side. Yeah, I think I'll get the auto bus from that side maybe. So I'll be going there now. It's too much rush here in Srinagar. The buses are, a bit confusing in Srinagar. I got missed a bit, and now I'm waiting for the 97 bus. I went to the other side actually. 97 goes from both sides, so I had to go the other side. So yeah, now I have to take the 97 bus on the other side, and I'm waiting here in the auto bus stop. I'm waiting here for the bus to come. Here comes my bus. I'm going to the bus now. इफ्तारी कर रहे हैं अभी ये दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस एक्चुअली इसको क्या कहते हैं एक्चुअली
Shawarma.
दिस इज shawarma actually we have french fries cucumber everything and Ibrahim is also having shawarmas and this is Hamza actually you can see Hamza so yeah so we'll start with Bismillah start we'll have it inshallah. Hi guys, actually we have come to a Flavory restaurant and right now I am in Flavory restaurant. Let me show you the rush here actually. See the rush here actually. It's too crowded everywhere. Yeah. This is an Arabian restaurant actually, so yeah. I have come to the Arabian restaurant now, and we had a good experience here, mashallah. It's very tasty, but it's very rush actually. That's the reason, it's too crowded actually. Because of the taste, people come here. Yeah, the food was amazing actually. Yeah, we had a good time, but we didn't have the seat also. We had to sit outside the restaurant. We have come to the kunafa shop actually to buy kunafa. Here you can see, mashallah, you have different sweets. Here, that's nice here. You have different sweet here, mashallah. Here, this is actually Palestine kunafa. See, it's nice. They have decorated well here. See here. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one, kunafa. See,
Let's wait for chai.
this is. I think this is the Nablus one.
This one is
Nablus.
Wait.
Yeah, cream one. Yeah, this is the cream one, and this one
Plain one.
plain one. How they give you?
Please, can you please?
Yeah, so we are starting our kunafa. See, actually my hair is now start karte bismillah.
This is for you. Let's need more pork.
Actually, I didn't expect this one actually. I thought some other kunafa, but let's try this one. This is new for me. So I'll be taking this one, I guess. Iced chocolate. This is better for me. There are many different options. Juices here. You can see here.
New people like this.
What is
Than
this?
me. He's very
Frappuccino.
serious.
This is Tatli Chocolata.
He's learning. Azad.
This is vanilla
In my university,
chocolata sweet.
it's English.
But I
So don't
think
have to talk
I
in
like
Turkish.
this
So
one.
I make
Iced
it
chocolate
Turkish
is better,
people
I
like
think.
how
It's tasty.
How are you like?
So I'll be taking this one. This is Palestine kunafa.
What are you doing?
Ayn and
We
nada.
order tea, right?
Chai was.
Just see.
Yeah,
I'm here only for not
this
for
is
food.
juice.
This is
This is juice.
We
Just
just
for
made
me.
the food actually. We just came here for dinner. We're just waiting for you. Ghazi Group, like at the roof of every home, they've got water tanks there. The blue
Nice actually. Just completed with the in Kunafa. Just we had Kunafas and will be schools. So yeah, alhamdulillah, just had with the iftar party with friends and all. Now going in the tram. Actually, this tram. I'm in tram now. I'm going towards my house. Alhamdulillah, yeah, it was enjoyable with friends. They were good actually. Enjoyed a lot with friends. And now yeah, moving back to house. I'll be moving first to Javis Liba. Then from there I'll be taking the metro bus, and from there I'll go to this one actually. Floria. Actually, here I'm going to the masjid now in Floria, which is near my house side actually. This is the first time I'm going there. Let's see what happens. How is the view inside there? Finally I've come here. See here, mashallah, it's beautiful. I'm coming here first time. I have never come before. The first time I'm coming. See here, mashallah, it's beautiful, right? Wow. This masjid is in Floria. What is the name of this masjid? Yeah, Floria Yani Jami is written here. See, this is the masjid, and you have here Floria Yani Jami. Nice place to sit here. You can sit here as well if you want to sit. Beautiful lights here, and yeah, you can see here people started to come for the prayer. Let me go inside. Here is the masjid. Here is the masjid here.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Alhamdulillah, just finished with the prayer now. Yeah, just completed my Taraweeh prayer. Now I'm going back to house. Yeah, alhamdulillah, it's amazing, right? So actually they have prayed 24. Here in Turkey they pray 24 rakats. That is 20 plus, no, 23 actually, sorry, 23. They pray 23 Taraweeh. In Saudi Arabia it's 11. That is 8 plus 3. 8 Taraweeh, 3 Witr namaz, prayers. So here it is 11, yani 10 plus 10. Yeah, 10 plus 10, yeah. 20 plus 3, that is Witr, 3 rakat Witr. So yeah, it's total 23 rakats. So yeah, done. Alhamdulillah, just prayed here. I think this is the 26th Taraweeh, inshallah. So only 4 more Taraweehs left now, hopefully, inshallah. So yeah, Ramadan went very quickly, really. 26 days somehow went, alhamdulillah. We had an amazing experience. Last time it was a bit difficult for me, the first Ramadan. This is the second Ramadan in Ramadan. I am doing it here in Istanbul, Turkey. So yeah, alhamdulillah, somehow the time went very fastly, very rapidly, very quickly actually. So yeah, now I'm moving back to house. Yeah.
اللهم صل على محمد صلاة الفجر
can see the Ramzan view. Hi, how are you? They are doing iftar everywhere, mashallah. You can see here. This is actually Ramadan time, so I have come in Ramadan time in Hagia Sophia Masjid. This is the view, how it looks here in Istanbul, Hagia Sophia Mosque during iftar time actually. It's beautiful here. You can see here, mashallah. This one, we should wait, I guess, here. Oh, that's too much, man. Let's see how it works there. It's too much there. Oh my goodness. I think we have to wait here. The queue is too much. I think today it will not be done, I guess. Today, will I get or not? It's too much actually. My goodness. Here now I'm in the queue right now. I'm just waiting for the package. If I get back from Hagia Sophia Masjid, it's well and good, right? If I buy, it's good, but especially from there, if I get, it's a blessing, you know. If I get from them actually, that too in Hagia Sophia, if I get, it's better actually. The sister from Chile actually. Alhamdulillah, finally we got it. Maybe we'll get it today. Here they are distributing the iftar. This one. These are. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khair. Thank you. Hagia Sophia Masjid. Distributing it. Yeah, mashallah, iftar party. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Thank you, Jazakallah khair. Well, we got this one. They are distributing there. We got this one. And we are getting this one. Oh, this is the one. Alhamdulillah, just finished with iftar, and actually the line, I thought it was Hagia Sophia's Masjid because it looks similar, right? So it was a Blue Mosque iftar I had got from. No problem, it is near Hagia Sophia Masjid only, but we got actually from both Masjid, right? It's near Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque are together. So it's nothing much difference for if you get from Blue Mosque or Hagia Sophia Masjid. So beautiful. Now we'll be moving and praying in Hagia Sophia Masjid now, inshallah. Here is a security man, and we are going inside now. This is Hagia Sophia Masjid, mashallah. Yeah, right now I'm in Masjid, Hagia Sophia Masjid. I'll be praying my Maghrib Salah with this brother. भाई आपका नाम क्या है? Ehtishan. Ehsan. Inshan with brother Inshan. I'll be praying my Maghrib Salah. हम अपना सेपरेट बनाते हैं ना जमात. उनका उधर जमात हो गया शायद. हम इधर पढ़ लेते हैं साथ में. तो अभी हम नमाज पढ़ लेंगे, उसके बाद आपसे मुलाकात होगी. चलिए. माशाल्लाह के चेहरे बहुत अच्छी आ रही है हमारी, है ना? हम लोग बैठे हैं इधर, मैं और ये इंशान भाई. इंशान है ना? इंशान भाई. अभी तरावी की नमाज़ हो जाएगी. इट विल बी तरावी प्रेयर इंशाल्लाह विद इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स. Some bayan is going on speech, so we are just listening, and we are waiting for the Tarawih Isha prayer. Then there will be Tarawih prayer. So we'll pray Isha then Tarawih, inshallah. So, how are you feeling, brother? Tell something to the video, on the video, camera. Tell something to the audience, people, जो भी देखते हैं.
Happy Ramadan. Happy
Eid. Eid will be within a few days. So yeah. Just 2 days, maybe 1 or 2 days for the Eid, inshallah. Yeah, 2 days. Then it will be Eid. So, Alhamdulillah, Allah has written us to be praying on this day. Alhamdulillah, I'm glad that I am in Hagia Sophia praying on the 28th Tarawih, right? 28th or 29th Tarawih. 28th Tarawih, yeah. 28th Tarawih on Hagia Sophia Masjid. Alhamdulillah. Fasted here, now praying Tarawih. It's a pretty good moment, Alhamdulillah, inshallah. Next year, where we'll be, where I don't know where I'll be, maybe in India, somewhere else, Allah knows. But today, on 28th Tarawih, 17th of April, 17th of March 2026, I am praying in Hagia Sophia Masjid now, Alhamdulillah. It's a pretty good moment. ये हम लोग चिकन लेने आए क्योंकि आज चिकन बनाना था, कुछ करी. अतीक भाई ने बोला चिकन लाओ, तो हम चिकन लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं. अतीक भाई अगर मुझे देख रहे हैं तो मैं आपके लिए चिकन ला रहा हूँ, अभी शौक़ से ला रहा हूँ. अभी इधर शौक़ पास दिखा रहा है तो मैं शौक़ से लाऊंगा इंशाल्लाह. और ये साथ इंशान भाई भी मेरे साथ आए हुए हैं, तो उनके साथ जा रहा हूँ. सो या जस्ट वॉकिंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स हियर of Fatih near the Hagia Sophia Masjid. Just came to buy chicken. Yeah.
Don't forget to show some of your love to this YouTube channel by liking, subscribing and sharing it with your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed it.